Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to create Ethereum wallet address. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go to your browser and now search for Trust Wallet. Once over here you'll see an option for download Trust Wallet. Click on it. Once over here it will give you an option to download the Chrome extension. Click on it. Now you will be at the Chrome web store, and on the right hand side you'll see an option for add Chrome. Click on it. Now over here a new tab will be opened up. Click on create a new wallet. Now over here make sure to add a strong password, and at the bottom click on next. Now over here on the top right hand side you'll see a puzzle icon. Click on it. Now here you'll see all of your Chrome extensions. Make sure to click on Trust Wallet. Once you open it up, at the top you'll see an option for backup your secret phrase now, or tap on it. Now over here click on show, and this is a necessity for you to logging into your account. So make sure that you do not lose this. You write this down somewhere on a piece of paper. Now here scroll down and you'll see an option for Ethereum. Click on it. Now over here just tap on receive, and then you will see your address over here. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.